How to buy Amazon gift cards online. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. To purchase an Amazon gift card online, you can follow up the step. So for that, you can head over to amazon.com on your particular website and then just go over to the gift section once you are logged in. So you can use the search bar in order to search for the gift. Otherwise, you can head over the menu, which is on the top left corner, tap on it, and a menu appears. From here. You should be finding top departments option, drop it down, tap on see all, and scroll down and look for gift cards, which is under office and school supplies option. Just go ahead and locate that up and tap on it. And once you tap on gift card, you will be taken to the Amazon gift card section. So you can select the gift card that you want. For example, I would like this gift card right here. So just go ahead and tap on it. Now you can just go and follow up the process in order to. So let's head over to e-gift card, the furthest one right here, or you can use a physical gift card as well. So we have different options available here. You can just go ahead and select the gift card you want. For example, I would like this Visa virtual gift one. So just go ahead and see option, or you can directly tap on add to cart. So let's head over here. So all you gotta do is you can select up an email version if it is a gift card. So you can just go ahead and type in the email for the each recipient. You can add multiple recipient if you prefer. And we have this option where you can enter a gift card message. So just go ahead and type in that. And you need to type in your name and you need to select a delivery date. And once that is done, you can just go ahead and read the product specifications, videos, artificial details, and just go on with the process of checking out. And once that is done, your depending upon the delivery method, they will be receiving your gift card by email or it will be shipped to their particular address. So that is it. That is how you basically buy Amazon gift cards online. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.